how your own mind works. You have a mind and you should learn how to use it. There are two levels of your mind, the, the conscious or rational level and the subconscious of irrational level. You think with your conscious mind and whatever you have habitually think down sinks down into your subconscious mind, which creates according to the nature of your thoughts. Your subconscious mind is the set of your emotions and it is the creative mind. If you think good, good will follow. If you think evil, evil will follow. This is the way your mind works. The mind point to remember is one, the subconscious mind, except on ideas its brains to excuse it. It is an intercept and substantial truth that the level of the subconscious mind works for good and bad ideas, alky things, love. When applying in a negative way is the case of failures, frustrating and unhappy. However, when your habitual thinking is harmonious and concentration, your experience perfect health, success and prosperity. Place of mind and a healthy body are inevitable when you brain to think and feel in the right way. Whatever you clean mentally and feel as trust as true. Your subconscious mind will accept and brain formed into your experience. The only thinking necessary for your to go is the get your conscious mind to accept your ideas and the law of your own subconscious mind will bring forth for the health, peace or position. Your desire you gave the comment or liquor and your subconscious will fearful reproduce the idea impressed upon it. The law of your mind is this: you will get a reaction or response for your subconscious mind according to the nature of the thoughts or ideas you have held in your conscious mind. Point out that when through are conveyed to your subconscious mind, impressions are made in the brain calls as soon as your subconscious accept any idea, it processed to put it into effect immediately. It works by association of ideas and use every bit of knowledge that you have gathered in your lifetime to brain about it for purpose. It draw on the infinite power, energy and wisdom within you. It lines up all the laws of nature to get its way. Sometimes it seems to bring about an immediately sultan to your difficultation, but at other times it may take years. It may take days, weeks or long its way or past find out. Coins and subcoins terms differentiation. You must remember that these are not two mind. They are Mariel two spheres of activity within one mind. Your coin's mind is the reasoning mind. It is that past of mind which choice. If example, you chose your books, your house and your partner in life. You make all your discussion with your coin's mind. On the other hand, without any coin's choice on your part, your heart is keep functioning automatically, and the process of decision circulation and breathing and reading on by your subconscious mind through process independence of your coin's control. Your subconscious mind accepts what is impressed upon in or what your conscious believer. It does not reason then think out like you coin's mind, and it does not again with you controls your subconscious mind. It's like that soul which accept any kind of soul, good or bad. Your thoughts are active and mind be like antocids, negative dishes. negative destroyed thoughts continues of work negatively in your subconscious mind, and in due time will come forth into other experience which correspond will them. Remember, your subconscious mind does not engage in proving whether your thoughts are good or bad, they bad, true or false, but it's respond according to the nature of your thoughts of suggesting. For example, if you consciously assume something as true, even thought it may be false, your subconscious mind will accept it as true and proceed to brain about result which must necessarily follow because you consciously assumed it to be true. Experiment by psychology. Innumerable experiment by psychology and other on person in the hypnotic state have shown that the subconscious mind is incapable of making selection and comparison which are necessary for a reasoning process. They have shown repeatedly that your subconscious mind will accept any suggestion, however fail, having one accept any suggestion it reports according to the nature of the suggestion given. To illustrate the amenability of your subconscious mind to suggest in a practiced hypnotist suggests to one of him subject that he is Napoleon Bonaparte or even a cat or a dog, He will act out the part with inimitable accuracy. He personally because change for the time beginning. He believed himself to be whatever the